Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 50% off of Microsoft AI exam voucher for beginners. This is the new exams AB-900, AB-730 and AB-731. So there is a 50% off voucher, and how to get 50% off voucher we'll go through the step-by-step process. So join the Microsoft Credential AI Challenge. This is going on ready to level up your AI skill and Microsoft Credential. The Microsoft Credential AI Challenge is your chance to learn in-demand AI concept, explore Microsoft tools, and work towards the official certification all at your own place on pace. So complete the following step for your chance to be of 5,000 winners to win a voucher of for 50% off one of three new certification exams, Microsoft certification exams. So what we'll get? So learning part focus on the artificial intelligence, hands-on resource to build real-world AI skill, step by step way to prepare for Microsoft credential, and learning perfect for beginner and professionals. So whether you are starting your AI journey or advancing your career, this challenge help you to gain the knowledge and confidence to success. So this is the URL. We'll go through this. So when you will open this page, I'm already logged in. You have to log in. When you log in, there is a Microsoft Credential AI challenge is going on. So this challenge is started for the Jan 20th to March 2026, and there is a chance to win 50% of Microsoft exam. So this is written here, and there's two things: Microsoft apply skill are fast, and Microsoft certification validate are there. So how it works? Register to a challenge, and applied skills, and whether the certificate sweepstakes. So chance to win the 50% off of new certification exam. So these are the applied skill challenge. There is a, you can see exam AB 731, exam 730 is there. So if you click on the register for the challenge here, all three I'm just showing you. When you will open this, there is a 40 days and 6 hours and 18 minutes to go. So if you click on the join this challenge here, like all the challenge you will get. So start learning. So 0% is completed. You have to unlock this one 40 minutes, 30 minutes, and you have to complete these things. So there is a return is there. Win 50% of certification exam. There is AB 730, AB 731, and AB 900 to enter one. So start the challenge and the Microsoft applied skill credential and complete the switch take form. So this is the form you have to complete. When you will complete the this one, let it open. So you have to open like this and just go one by one. So in last you will get the next button. So this is the form. When you will complete, you have to apply and the voucher to apply and one of new free AI focus skill between this to this, and via this form you can apply the voucher. And starting on the winners will be drawn weekly and starting from the Feb 4 2026. There is a three codes are there. So you have to complete this one. So this is the page, and certification challenge is the transfer your organization, and these things are there. You can get all the certification details are there. So Microsoft Credential AI Challenge Sweepstakes. There is a 5,000 winners of the winner voucher of 50% off. So this is the process. Okay. So in this video we have learned how to get 50% off of Microsoft AI certification exam. And there is a disclaimer is there, all trademarks logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the educational and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Chirag tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.